Yeah, you see my fibers, yeah? Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. Well, this is good actually when Gary's around. When Gary's around, it's not like the whole night. For 2.5 hours. No, I think it's tired. You're wrong, that one, yeah? You want the red one? If you want to, you can get your, yeah. Yeah, I've got so many now. I've got all the good some photos.